In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify header in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Shopify website. You can easily do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in shopify.com. Once you reach the home page, look for the login button. It's typically in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Log in using your credentials. Your email and password should do the trick. If you usually have trouble remembering them, make sure to keep your password manager handy. Now that you're logged in, you should see the Shopify dashboard. From here, look at the left side of your screen and click on the Online Store option. It's part of the main navigation menu on your dashboard, so you won't have to scroll too far. Once you've clicked on Online Store, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on Themes. It's right there, ready to guide you into the exciting world of customizing your store's look and feel. In the Themes section, you'll notice the Customize button right under your current theme header. Give that a click. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to tailor the aesthetic and functionality of your online store to match your brand identity. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the Customization panel. Under Header, you will find an announcement bar. Click on the arrow down button on this section. Doing this will expand the options for the announcement bar, giving you access to all the settings that go into making that first impression count. You'll see an option labeled Announcement with Welcome Greetings. Clicking on this will activate a text box where you can type out your desired text header. This is your opportunity to craft a warm, friendly, or exciting message that greets every visitor to your online store. Think of something that reflects your brand's personality. Maybe a welcoming note, a special promotion, or a seasonal greeting. Once you've settled on the perfect message, it's time for the final step. Remember to click on Save once you're satisfied with your entry. The Save button is usually at the upper right of the page. Clicking it ensures that all your hard work doesn't go to waste and makes your changes live for all your visitors to see. Congratulations! You've just successfully edited your Shopify header in record time. This process not only helps in keeping your homepage fresh and engaging, but also ensures that your visitors are always informed of important announcements or promotions. Keep experimenting with different messages and styles to see what resonates best with your customers. Thanks for tuning in today and happy selling.